Hi everyone, this is just a quick tutorial on how to add a folder that has been shared with you from our middle school yearbook students, how to add it to your drive. We're pleading with you to please, whenever you have a chance, if you're taking photos of really cool things that your advisory is doing or your house teams, or within your subject area class. We've sort of streamlined it this year and have made a shared folder for each of you. You'll get an email that says 2021 yearbook, and it will have your name. And within that, you'll see a subfolder, one for advisory, one for house teams, and one for the subject area that you teach. And anytime you think of it, if you could just add your pictures that you happen to take there. We will be sending students around with their cameras, but you're with your classes and your house teams and advisories all the time. So some of our best images are really going to come from you. So we really appreciate it if you could help us out by doing this. So when you get the email, you can click either here in the center or on the open button. Either way, wherever you click, it will open it and you'll see the subfolders. Okay, and mine says English because I teach English, and then I have an advisory and then specific folder for house teams activities. And you'll see that it lives right now and shared with me. The only thing that you need to do is click on this little arrow and add a shortcut to your drive. And you can direct it to go right into my drive and click on add the shortcut. And then what I will see in my drive when I open it is it will show up right here in the folders. Okay, so under 2021 yearbook and Mugatha. And so when I have a picture that I've uploaded, I can just, like adding any other file to Google Drive, I can direct it to go into one of these three folders. And then because we shared it with you, it's home on our system. It lives in our middle school yearbook folder because you'll see that the email came from MS Yearbook. And so it lives there, and we'll be able to access the pictures there and put them directly into our pages. If you need help figuring out how to upload images to Google Drive from your phone, just let us know and we can come over and help you out. But thanks so much, and we'll look forward to seeing all of your pictures.